Dirt Connections, right here, right now.
Okay, I'm in Sterling, Virginia, working hard. Came out here to service two LS 170 skid loaders by New Holland. Older machines, I understand that they're pretty much bulletproof. They sound good. So I changed all the filters on this thing. So first of all, I want to locate my oil filter so that everybody knows where it's at. See it? There it is, right there on the side of the motor, right there. That was tough to get to. You got to lift the boom, lock it in place, pull the panels. All right. Then I did my inline filter. Fuel goes this way. Opening up the back. I got my fuel filter. I got my primary and secondary air filters. And I got my hydraulic filter. Now, unique thing on this, because I run Bobcats, we have hydraulic fluid and motor oil. This uses 10W30 for the motor oil and 10W30 for hydraulic. Interesting. So there's a filler for the hydraulic, there's the one for the oil. The drain plug is supposed to have a plate on the bottom, and it doesn't. So it exposes the oil pan. I used a 5/8 inch socket to undo the drain plug and drain it all out. My understanding is it takes about 2¼ gallons of oil. So I just checked the dipstick. It's an older machine. I had a tough time looking at it. I also want you to know that when you lift the boom, you gotta set these pins so that the boom doesn't come crashing down on you. And they're located on both sides. And this thing gave me fits. You know, there's a lever in here, and I couldn't get it to go. Right there's a lever. So it wouldn't work. So in and out of the machine, WD-40, and I got it to go. So yeah, LS 170 New Holland. Seems like a nice machine. Yeah. Oh, one other thing. 10W30 oil. Don't get 5-gallon pails. That's what they sold me, and I should have known better, but I didn't. Get 1-gallon containers. Man, heaving that thing up in the air, man, I was a little messy, and I didn't like that. So anyway, and working in the rain, slippy slidey, not cool. Be safe when you're out here. And then also I want to thank Thomas at James River Equipment in Manassas. They were, you know, he and I worked hard to cross-reference all these filters because they weren't showing up. And John Deere over there, you know, they're John Deere dealer, James River Equipment. Thomas was awesome. We got all the filters we needed, the 2 air filters, 1 hydraulic filter, 1 oil filter, 1 fuel filter with a bleeder valve, and 1 inline fuel filter. So I did it for both machines. Tough going, first time on this machine, but better for it. And I got a big old hydraulic leak on this thing right here. It looks like it's right there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lower the boom, keep it in place. If the customer wants me to do it, I think I would probably like to keep it up in the air and unhook it from up there, up here, undo my hydraulic lines, take it to the shop, put the rebuild kit in it, and then put it back on. That's why I'm not, because it's leaking so bad. I don't want to hurt the machine without running it without hydraulic fluid. So I got that much in there, and I think that's what we're going to go with. So I'll button everything up, put it over there, make an invoice, and they can decide what else they want to do. As for now, I hope everybody enjoys this perfect day. And again, Thomas at James River Equipment in Manassas, many, many thanks for helping me get this job completed. This guy needed some help. Enjoy this perfect day. Thank you, folks.
Dirt Connections is right here, right now. Dirt Connections, the professionals.